Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. We did a quick video on how to remove a light switch knob from a light switch on 1960s and 70s GM cars. The trick is the little detent here on the back. Sometimes you can depress that and it still won't come out. It's a little tricky, but if you press it in just the right way, the knob will come out. Hey, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.